Hi everyone, today I'm thrilled to introduce our newly launched front desk screen, a versatile and high-performance product designed to elevate your reception area and event displays. First of all, let's take a look at a sample. It adopts P2.5 flexible modules with GOB for better protection. The flexible modules allow for more flexibility installation and customization. When it comes to pixel pitch, we offer a wide range of options from P1.25 to P4, so you can choose the most suitable one according to your actual needs. In terms of cabinet color, we have two classic options for you, white and black. Both colors are sleek and professional. Now let's talk about the size and weight. The standard product size is 8 modules wide and 6 modules high, with a weight of 120 kg. What's more, we support size customization to meet your specific space requirements. However, there is a small note. The two side edges plus the corner positions need at least 4 modules in total, which means the number of the modules on the front can be fully customized according to your needs. One of the most practical features is the powered desktop. You can directly place your computers and other office devices on it, making your front desk work more efficient and convenient. No extra power cords needed for your office equipment. We also equip this front desk screen with built-in speakers at the bottom. It can provide clear sound, which is perfect for playing welcome messages, corporate introductions, or background music, bringing a better experience to your visitors. The cabinet is designed with doors and locks, which can be used to store office equipment and documents securely. For extra security, you can also choose the optional fingerprint lock. Another highlight is its mobility. There are wheels at the bottom, and the wheels are equipped with a brake. This makes the product not only suitable for fixed front desk use, but also ideal for exhibitions and events. You can easily move it to any position, lock the wheels to keep it stable, and use it to display your company logo, play corporate introduction videos, and other promotional materials, just like a mobile digital signage that helps you showcase your brand image anytime, anywhere. Next, let's talk about packaging. We offer two options, wooden case and a flight case. The custom flight case is equipped with a ramp, which makes loading, unloading, and transportation much easier, providing better protection for the product during transportation. Finally, in terms of content playback, it's very user-friendly. It supports control via USB flash drive, mobile phone, and computer. You can easily update and play your desired content, whether it's pictures, videos, or documents, without complicated operations. To sum up, this new front desk screen combines practicality, mobility, security, and customization. It's not just a front desk display, but also a versatile tool for your brand promotion and office work. If you have any questions about its configuration, customization, or usage, please feel free to ask us. Thank you.